The entire structure is made of cold-rolled steel. PD 65 watts retractable USB-C cable. When in standby mode, the red indicator light will remain on. Simulate charging status. The blue light flashes while charging. Simulate a fully charged state. When fully charged, the blue indicator light remains on. Supports mainstream fast charging solutions available on the market. The max single-channel output can reach 65W. Supports fast charging for mainstream devices such as laptops, iPads, and smartphones with USB-C interfaces.